This tutorial review will show you how to hide message notifications on Instagram. If you don't want to get your Instagram message notification, then you can turn it off. So first of all, open your Insta application and open your profile. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Tap on notifications. Tap on messages. And here you have to select off for all of these options: message request, group request, messages. And then the second method is go to your phone settings, tap on notifications, and here tap on Instagram, tap on show previous and select never. And this is how we can hide message notifications on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.